that I have previously done. And this project is about a code converter, where which helps you to convert one type of programming language code of one type of programming language to code of another type of programming language. Say for example, you have the code of written in Java, which is of 100 or 150 lines. Now you want that code of code should be written in Python. So this is going to help you to write that code. Instead of writing once again the whole code of 1100 line, you just need to use this code converter, where you just with one click you can get the 100th line of code in Python or Java to the 100th line of code in your desired language. So in this project we are just going to deal with 3 languages, but if you want then you can use all the languages. I will show you in the later part of the video where you can just add the languages and how. Since we are and in this project we are using Gemini Gemini API for this project. So let me just go through you these projects. Like you can just click on this part or just click on the converter part. Let me to show you like the right one, since it's given in already set in Python. So let's write hello world, which is all the basic program that we write when we start Python programming. So and after clicking on convert, it's given console.log hello world, and this is how. And if we change it in Java, let's see if it works or not, and click on convert. So see, the program has already been converted into Java. So let me write one more program for you just for the example. Num1 equals to 20, num2 equals to 30, num3 equals to num1 plus num2, and then print num3. And after clicking on this, let me to make this as double variable. Since we are going to deal in Java, let me to make it a float or double data type. Num1 will be the double data type, and just click on convert, and then just see, it's given num2 has a double variable type. So this is how our project is going to look like. And if you want to click on copy and see, let's say it's copied or not. See, you can also copy the code, or if you want then you can also upload the file by clicking on upload, or you can reset also. Let's reset this project, and let's click on Java and copy the previous code and convert that program into JavaScript, and click on convert. So with a bit of patience you must have. So let's see. See, it's converted into JavaScript. So this is our project on code converter, which converts one code of in particular language to another code of its neighbor in desired language. So in this project we are just deal with Java, Python and JavaScript. So let's see all the features of this app. So we have one color changing effect, basic color changing effect. See, it's a basic one, so no need to worry about that. Here we can generate also code. If you want a code explainer, like what is the code all about, you can also click on that. And let's click on pricing to see if it's free or not. If this is your own site, if you want to launch this as your own. So This is the pricing for the for $100,000 for per year. Let's change it's $20 per year per month. So I think the $100 per month will be beneficial for you. And let's go to the contact section. There is another page for the contact one, and this is the basic contact page. Submitted just email by me and or as so it's okay. The dialog box is flexible, you can submit. And so there is a back option, click on, let's see, it's mobile view and see, it's, I think it's a good project. I don't think so. Mobile view is also good. And let's click on color change. The color changes. Here are the menu bar. Let's click on converter. Its converter is already opened, and you can see how the changes are has been done. So this is my basic project on code converter, where you can convert one type of code into another. And here are many things, like you can, these pages are also there. I think it's not linked. See, this is all the languages that you can use to convert one from another. I will show you the part where you can just edit the like here we are only using three programming: Java, JavaScript and Python, and we want more. So how we are going to do that, I will show you in the later part of the video. And this is all my project is about. The web app name is Codecraft. So let's go to the VS Code and see. For the first time, when you just copy paste from my GitHub with link which I will provide in my description, you are going to first go through these 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. These are the three basic steps which you have to follow. Like first you have to click on cd convert. Just first open the terminal and click on cd code converter. After that, click on npm install. See, let me to show you the problems which you will face. Like for the first time when you click on see, these are the problems that you are going to face for the first time when you download the zip file from my GitHub account. So let me to show you the problems. First you have to click on cd npm install. Since cd converter line has already been run, so click on npm install. Then again there is a problem, but it's because it's written npm instead of npm. So when you click on npm install, all the dependencies will be downloaded over here, and after that click on just run npm run dev. So after that you are going to get the link of the localhost. This project has been run on the localhost, so you can just click on control plus click, and then this project will open. So this is the project about the code converter, where you can convert one type of code into another. And let me to here I use Gemini, API of the Gemini, Google Gemini. So let me just show you. I don't think I can show you the give my own API to you. Just when you are using, just click on the environment, just open the folder and click on the environment, and just copy paste your API over there. it's not a very tough task for you. So let me to go through you. Here is the component page, and here I think there is somewhere here only where the code converter part takes place. Here, see here, Python Java here. In this part only, select item part, you can just add one another a programming language, and it's just you have to say here, and just click on this and enter, and then you can just paste it over here. And if there is Java, you just have to change it to just say C, and all the details has been accordingly changed. See, and all the, since it's not we are doing any work, it's just our API AI is doing one. The Gemini is doing here the work. We don't have to work here. So let's end this and just remove the waste. Just so this is our whole project is about. So that's all for today, and thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe, please.